I'm the cameraman, just in case they don't carry the queen.
Oh man, I know you, man. I watch you, man.
Oh, seriously?
I watch you, man. I watch you.
Hey man, Zile. Put the camera in someone's face.
Literally is that the mouth, bro?
Camera guy.
Is it going to?
Okay, Zile, dope.
You know what Tanela says?
They don't have an alcoholic.
You know what Tanela says? He's like, no, there's a whole team who's not alcoholic yet.
Guys, I'm with. Yo. Yo.
Poppy eggs.
I'm with. Oh.
Poppy eggs.
Oh. Small stuff.
Poppy eggs. I didn't consent to be on.
Wait, oh.
Consent to put the camera down.
Now you're consent.
Hating ass Nick.
How's Cape Town, miss?
It's a bit chilly, yeah?
Yeah.
But during the day,
Yeah.
the weather's quite hot, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How's Cape Town? This is Fatto. This is Fatto. How's Cape Town? Guys, they were still was on a boat cruise.
And she left us.
And she left us.
We went on a mountain.
But it was nice.
It was a nice view, but the air kept getting hot and cold.
We had a nice view. It was a nice view.
The air kept getting hot
all
and
small
cold.
stuff was used to nice things. So that for me was another week.
This is where I cut the consent. It's time for your next shot.
If you're doing it, I'm doing it.
I just took one. Don't even listen.
For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mibaka. I'm a strategic partner manager at YouTube. I support our creators in Sub-Saharan Africa.
Yeah, and my name is Fwana. I work with Mibaka, also a strategic partner manager for Sub-Saharan Africa.
We've all been collabing, making short forms, and I think that's really cool. I think I've collabed with Nigerians, with Kenyans, which is cool. So for the next few days, I think we should all not be scared to be like, yo, let's do a collab. That's really cool. Whether it be on YouTube Shorts or YouTube Shorts, we should. So let's do some YouTube Shorts for the next couple of days. Guys, yo, I'm so sorry. So I haven't had a chance to speak to you guys because like it's crazy. It's such a different experience. Like I'm here, I'm trying to capture the moment for you guys, but at the same time I'm not talking to you guys. Nor am I showing myself, but like just understand this vlog is not for me. This vlog is for you guys, so you guys can see who's here, what's happening. So hope you guys are enjoying. I really appreciate all of you guys. I love you guys. If you're new, please like. If you're not new, please like. Everybody like. You get me? Sure.
With the lips and the cash in my corner, 10 on my lap.
giving her some time.
Hey! I know that.
Ekse Shap video, what's going on? It's a brand new day. Today was a movie. You guys saw on the previous vlog, on the previous clips that yay, my Thato went to the beach right now. What is walk to the back of the bus? I don't know why. He's like a cool kid. He's just a cool kid. And shit. Your shit are equal now. Wow. Yesterday UCJ was on the decks, which was cool to see.
Man,
Uzi.
that guy.
Yeah, UCJ. I'm gonna tell you,
Yeah.
you know him now. He's a DJ from Cape Town. He's an amazing gom.
Only?
Gom, am I saying it right?
Boom.
Gom.
Sorry, Tom.
Gom. He's an amazing gom. DJ. But yeah, he's really cool, bro. He works with the Shingan then.
Eh?
Works with the Shingan then.
Wow.
Kings of the day.
Too late!
What's good?
What's good? Oh shit! How are you feeling?
I'm feeling
Yesterday you were dancing life of the party.
We get there at 7.
Yeah, bro.
Actually,
Today I'm not drinking.
Take it back to the beat.
That's a whole Thato.
How are you?
What's up? Are you good?
Tired.
No hangover. No hangover. Hangover.
Bella, hi, what's good?
Mata.
Or is there age restriction?
Warra.
Over 30 is not welcome.
No.
What rigs?
More than water.
What's good?
I'm 32, you know that. Hi guys, we just got to the beach right now. Everybody's doing yoga, but I don't think I'm gonna do yoga. I think I'm gonna just look pretty and everything. I'm with Tule. In Cape Town, Mongwane.
What's good?
What's good? Gee. The yoga chat, you can miss me with it. Yeah, no. I'm just here to do my thing. I'm not here to do that yoga because, hey, can we get a stretch? Hey, Mata, Shap. Hey, Warwick, so Shap. Hey, what are we doing? We're shaking. Cape Town. Get easy. 21, can you do something for me? Yo, Mr. Muscle.